Hello, my name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is 388th part of explanation of my theory. Two of my concepts, meta sensation perception, matter, and the other electron motion form. Meta sensation perception matter has no space, has no emptiness. Meta sensation perception matter is a single eternal matter. There are no discrete particles or objects in meta sensation perception matter. There is no field, there is no Aether, there is no space, emptiness in meta sensation perception matter. If you could look itself completely, you wouldn't see anything, or you would see a single thing. Meta sensation perception matter. But there are other eternal entities existing. Intrinsic, immanent, regular, perpetual, lawmaker, motion forms of meta sensation perception matter are electron motion forms. An electron motion form is not an object, is not a particle. It is only a motion. It is only motion. Okay? Motion form. Motion with shape, regular shape. But it is motion. It is not discrete particle. Yes, electron motion forms are not discrete objects, are not discrete particles, they are not particles or they are not objects. If they are free, they produce and propagate consecutive ring-shaped, spherical, perpetual, cyclical, consecutive, intertwined, interacted, interconnected waves. And itself, electron motion form is itself a spherical wave, and it has axis in all direction. If we see as section, teşekkür ederim. When we look at as section, this side bidirectional cycling. Okay, one of here, one of there, or all sides. Yes. Finally, it has axis, and its tangential speed for first cycle is 6.28 times greater than the speed of light. 1,884,000 greater than 1,884,000 kilometers per second. But each cycle multiplied by this number. Okay. Second cycle, 2 multiplied by 1,800,000. Third cycle, 3 multiplied by 1,884,000 kilometers per second, so on and so forth. And if an electron motion form is relocating in the motion direction, its wavelength shrink, its wave speed decreases, and vice versa. Okay. I have formulated and showed you before. This is matter reality, meta sensation perception matter reality. When meta sensation perception matter encounter itself, electron motion forms are eternal motion forms, by the way. Electron motion forms are eternal motion forms of meta sensation perception matter. Okay. When meta sensation perception matter encounter with itself, meet with itself by means of its motion forms interactions, meta sensation perception matter starts to see itself as observable universes with different creatures' eyes, different lives' eyes. Okay. These eyes, human beings' eyes, or other sensations, most basic sensations. Okay. Life, here subjective reality, other reality borns, becomes, occur. Okay. And light is the bridge between two realities, meta sensation perception matter reality and subjective reality, or in other words, observable universe or life experiences are different realities. We can, in subjective realities, okay, we assume there is emptiness, there is vacuum, etc. But in fact, there is no vacuums, there is no space, only single meta sensation perception matter. When you look meta sensation perception matter, you never see any objects. When you see observable universe, you cannot see meta sensation perception matter. If you if you were see completely, if you have this capacity, meta sensation perception matter, you wouldn't see discrete objects. Okay. Yes. Have a good afternoon. See you later.